shocking attempts to cover up the Pune Posha horror by the teenager's family. Ever since the teenager knocked down two techies, his family have been really going on all efforts that they can to save him. They've literally moved heaven and earth, but all their bids, at least so far, have been foiled by the police. In the latest, the two doctors who carried out the medical tests of the teenager right after the car crash have been arrested. The HOD of Forensics, Dr. Srihari Halnor, and Medical Superintendent of Sason General Hospital, Dr. Ajay Taure, have now been arrested for swapping drunk teenagers' blood samples with that of another person's whose blood sample showed that he had not consumed alcohol. The HOD has eventually confessed to swapping the samples and throwing it in a bin, saying that he received 3 lakh rupees for doing so. This is the third bid by the miner's family, clearly, to try and save him. Earlier, they threatened the driver to confess to the crime. 2 Pune cops have also been arrested. In fact, the cops have been suspended, rather. The first constables who reached the spot soon after the accident, they did not inform their senior officers or the control room about that crash. They too have now been pulled up.
इसमें कल इवनिंग आवर्स में हमारे पास फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट्स प्राप्त हुई है और फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट से ये पता चला है कि जो ससून हॉस्पिटल में सैंपल कलेक्ट किया गया था, जिसको वहां के डॉक्टर ने सील करके ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नाम लिख करके वो जो फोरेंसिक को भेजा था, वो सैंपल उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नहीं था। ये वो निष्कर्ष पे जो औंध की सैंपल हमने औंध हॉस्पिटल में जो हमने सैंपल सेकेंड सैंपल शाम को ली थी और जिसको डीएनए प्रोफाइलिंग के लिए भेजी थी, उसके तहत ये बात सामने आई। औंध का सैंपल ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का है और वो सैंपल उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड के फादर के डीएनए से भी मैच होता है। मतलब कि औंध का सैंपल एक करेक्ट सैंपल, करेक्ट व्यक्ति का सैंपल था, परंतु जो ससून हॉस्पिटल ने सुबह में जो सैंपल फोरेंसिक को भेजा था, वो सैंपल किसी और व्यक्ति का था। मतलब कि ये सैंपल रिप्लेस किया गया है, ऐसी बात कल फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट प्राप्त होने के बाद समझ में आई। जो डॉक्टर हैं जिन्होंने सील करके ये रिपोर्ट फोरेंसिक को भेजी थी, उनको कल हमने डिटेन किया था। उनके प्राथमिक तपास में ये बात सामने आई कि उन्होंने जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का सैंपल लिया था, लेकिन उसने उसको डस्टबिन में फेंका था और उसने एक किसी और व्यक्ति का सैंपल से उसको रिप्लेस करके उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नाम लिख करके उसको फोरेंसिक लैब को भेजा था। ये चीज उसने डॉक्टर अजय तावरे के ससून हॉस्पिटल के HOD फोरेंसिक मेडिसिन के हैं, उनके कहने पे और उनके द्वारा और ये सब मिलके क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी करके ये एक्ट, ये कंडक्ट उनकी हुई थी।
And we got to Divesh joining us live for more on that from Pune. Divesh, you're tracking the case right from the start. From then to now, the cops have really uncovered several attempts by the family to try and sabotage the investigation. In the latest, 2 of the doctors at the government hospital that carried out medical tests, blood samples that were collected of the teenager, they attempted to change it with samples that only to portray that the boy wasn't drunk. So all levels of officers were bribed.
Well, Nabila, the doctors, while on 19th of May at 11 a.m., the boy, the minor accused, was taken to the Sassoon hospital. There's a physical checkup that is done to check whether he is under influence of alcohol, and then there's a blood sample that is taken. During the physical checkup, the doctor examining the boy, he couldn't smell alcohol, he couldn't find that the boy was under influence of alcohol, and that act was very suspicious because cops who had taken him to the hospital could smell him of alcohol throughout and could see that he was highly under the influence of alcohol. But the doctor surprisingly did not find any trace or anything which would connect him or which could point out that he had consumed alcohol. That is why a blood checkup was done. But these doctors again, the Dr. Halnor
Divesh,
again...
I will have to place you on hold. Thanks very much.